Hi, my name's Liam and I work as an extended Kindy educator at C&K Ascot Community Kindergarten. Welcome to a day in my life. Extended Kindy educators start at 2 p.m, which gives me plenty of time in the morning to study and catch up with friends and family. I do like to come into work a bit earlier depending on the week to do some programming, some story writing, and just to plan with my lead educator on what we might do for the coming week. At around 2 o'clock, we transition between core kindergarten and extended kindergarten. No day is the same, as we always explore different interests based on the experiences of children and educators within the environment. Being part of the extended team gives you the opportunity to participate alongside children to plan the Holiday Kindy program. Our holiday program always embeds the voices of children in planning and allows their interests to be heard. When outside, we implement different learning opportunities for children, whether that be planned or spontaneous. Outside of school term times, extended educators are given the autonomy and empowerment to create their own program during the holiday period. The extended program runs until 6 p.m, and when the children head home, we clean up the service and do the same. Thanks for watching my day at C&K.